The increasing land costs and reduced availability of roof or ground space for photovoltaic installation has led to the emergence of high-power modules that can generate more power per square metre of installed area. The ZP5M-580-615W-H60 solar module series, manufactured by Zonergy, consists of 8 such high-power modules with more active power generating space owing to their larger size, resulting in a higher power yield of up to 615 watts at a maximum efficiency of 21.7%. Module performance is further enhanced by the inclusion of cells with multi-busbars and half-cut technology. When more bus bars are printed on a wafer, the space between them decreases, shortening the length of current flows in the fingers and ensuring minimal resistive losses and impact due to microcracks. The design allows for thinner bus bars and fingers, which means less silver usage, an expensive material used in cell manufacturing, and thus helps lower manufacturing costs while improving performance. Each half-cut cell in a module produces less current than the conventional uncut cells, resulting in lower resistive and power losses as it travels through the modules, leading to more yield. Due to the unique design and wiring system, the half-cut modules are also less susceptible to shading effects and hotspots. Thanks to the high-quality encapsulating materials and stringent production processes, our modules exhibit greater resistance to potential induced degradation. They could be employed in harsh environments as they are resistant to corrosive agents such as salt mist, ammonia, dust and sand. Our products guarantee a linear power output of 93 and 85% after 10 and 25 years respectively, which is significantly higher compared to the industry standard of 90 and 80%. Zonergy has been at the forefront of the solar industry's growth for more than a decade through their various clean energy products, such as storage systems, inverters, heaters, battery materials and others. We are also a project development company that has built many large-scale projects with a cumulative installed capacity of 2.2 gigawatts around the world.